How to set the date and time on a Brother device. From naming scanned documents to being part of a network authentication process, the correct date and time play an important role within a Brother device. This video explains how to set them both manually or by connecting your Brother device to a time server, otherwise known as a Simple Network Time Protocol SNTP server. To do this from a web browser, type the IP address of your Brother device in order to access its internal web server. Then, type its admin password and click the login button. From the navigation menu, find and click the administrator button. From the administrator's submenu, click the date and time button. Here you can manually set the date and time, as well as clock type, time zone, and auto daylight settings. As with any clock, it is not guaranteed that your Brother device will always keep the same time as your other network devices. In order to maintain this reliability, it is not recommended to manually set the date and time, but instead connect your Brother device to an SNTP server. To do this, click the SNTP link. Specify the SNTP configuration method. There are two to choose from: auto and static. The auto selection either uses the default SNTP server, which is sntp.brother.com with port 123, or the SNTP address and port number managed by your organization's environment, typically assigned through a DHCP server. If you need to change the default settings, enter a primary SNTP server address and port number here. Scroll down the page and optionally enter the address and port number for a secondary server here. Set how often you want your Brother device to perform the date and time synchronization. Then click the Submit button to save your settings. You will automatically be sent to the top of the page and see a Submit OK message while the Brother device tries to connect to the specified SNTP server. To check the connection, click the Refresh button. You may need to do this a few times. If the connection was successful, you will see this message. If there was a problem, it will show this instead. If you are seeing this message and would like help on what to do next, please click the link on your screen or in the description, where I will take you through some troubleshooting recommendations. If the connection was okay, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click the Date and Time button. From here, enable the Synchronize with SNTP server option. Then click the Submit button. Thank you.